Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn basic Selenium codes in Java. This video is mainly intended for beginners, but anyone can learn from this. In this video, we will use Java-Selenium and we'll try to cover some of the points from this list. We will cover rest of these points in the following videos. So there will be a series of videos for this tutorial. Let's get started. Let's open Eclipse. Let's create a class. Check this box. Click Finish. So the first point is open browser. To open a browser, we write the code like this. This is webdriver.chrome.driver, and over here we give the path of the Chrome driver. Okay, suppose if I have the Chrome driver in this folder, then I give this path. So this is webdriver.chrome.driver and path of the Chrome driver. So this is the code to open a browser. So this code will open Chrome browser. If you want to open different browser, then you have to change here and you have to give the path of the respective browser driver. Okay, so let's save this and run this. So it is opening a Chrome browser. Okay, let me close this. Let's move on to a different point. Maximize window. So for this, the code is driver.manage.window.maximize. This code will maximize the window. Okay, let's move on to the next point. Delete cookies. For this, the code is driver.manage.delete all cookies. So this code will delete all the cookies. Let's move on to the next point. Open a web page using get. For this, suppose we want to open a Google page. So driver.get and inside the bracket this URL. Okay, web page or URL. Okay, so this will open a Google page. Let's move on to a different point. So this is web page URL. Here also this is web page URL. So open a web page URL using navigate. Let's copy this. So for this, the code is and inside the bracket we give the URL. So you can open the web page using this code or this code. Okay, let's check the code we have written so far, if the code is working as expected or not. Okay, for that, so since this will open a web page and this also will open a web page, for now let's comment one of these and run this code, save it and run it. So it opened the browser and it maximized the window and it is Google page. Okay, let me close this. Similarly, let's comment this and let's use this code. Okay, this also should do the same thing. Save it and run it. So it is opening a browser, maximizing the window and opening Google page. Okay, let me close this. So this code is working fine. So in this video we wrote code to open a browser, to maximize window, delete cookies and open a web page or URL using get and using navigate. That is all in this video. We will continue the remaining codes in the next videos. Thank you for watching this video.